We have coyotes howling. We're on a mountain air adventure. Who are we taking with us today? And it's a beautiful day. We'll take my father fishing. We'll take my brothers fishing.
Our Ecuadorian people fishing.
We will take all our Ecuadorian friends fishing too.
God bless, we're breaking these runs. Life too short to play on speed run.
And this here is Pullman Lake. But we're not seeing any fish rising and any minnows. Look at that.
It's not a plane. It's an ultralight or something.
Well, it's going, it looks like it's going straight up.
I know. What is that?
No, it's got wings.
There's two. Oh, it's a small. Oh, it's a small little Cessna, I think.
No way, not going. Look how fast that's going.
I know. That's weird. See, if you see the trail behind it.
Yeah, holy it's going fast.
I know. It's like it's going straight up. Where did it go behind the clouds there? Gonna come up.
There it is. No, it's a jet. Regarde ça, c'est déjeuner sur l'Èbre. It's on the protector.
Yeah.
Let's eat. A smoky on carbonate bread with relish. And this view, and wow, is it hot. So I told ChatGPT, whom I pay monthly $24, and I said, could you check the satellites and tell us what it's going to be like today around Roche Lake? And he said, go for it. It's an excellent day to go. And we almost didn't go because of them things. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, drone liftoff.
Take off. Okay, we'll see you in a bit. Ooh, can't see it towards the sun. Oh, there you are. Right in the sun.